All right, this is just a quick note about the horse barn question. The horse here is an interface, which is something they took off the AP test for 2020. Um, but this question is still relevant. Um, so we didn't cover interfaces, but for this one, just treat this horse like it was a horse class, right? So if you want to see more what it would actually look like, it has two variables that it tracks for a horse, the name and the weight, and it would have methods public methods that would get those because the variables are private, but then you can get them with the methods. And then, you could imagine a constructor that just takes those in and sets them. All right, so just treat it like a class instead of an interface. And then you're going to be writing in the horse barn class, and so you're going to have a bunch of horse objects here, right? So when you access one, you can call those methods, right? If you get like the ith horse or something, so spaces bracket bracket I, you can call like get name and get weight from each one of those little horses. So that's where it's going to be relevant, is you're just going to have to call these methods once you access a horse. All right, I just want to point that out because we hadn't covered interfaces. So hopefully that gives you a start for this question. Obviously the help videos, you can watch them if you get stuck. All right, that's it.